In this video, we'd like to show you how to properly clean and disinfect your Bluephase curing lights. Make sure that the light guide is not removed from the handpiece in any step of the cleaning process. Wipe the Bluephase handpiece and light guide with a customary aldehyde and acetone-free disinfecting solution. We recommend FD366 from the company Dental for this use. After disinfecting the handpiece, we recommend removing the light guide from the housing, placing both horizontally and letting them dry for 1 minute. Partially polymerized composite can be removed with alcohol and a plastic spatula. Do not use sharp or pointed objects as they may scratch the surface. Especially dirty areas of the device can be cleaned with a soapy solution. Avoid using any highly aggressive disinfection solutions like solutions based on orange oil or with an alcohol content of more than 40%, as this can lead to damage of the housing and the labeling. For manual cleaning, place the light guide in an instrument cleaning solution for 15 minutes. Make sure the light guide is sufficiently immersed in the cleaning solution. After the cleaning process, remove the light guide from the solution and thoroughly rinse it under running water for at least 10 seconds. Thorough cleaning and disinfecting of the light guide is imperative to ensure that its subsequent sterilization is effective. For this purpose, use only autoclave sterilization with the settings of 3 times pre-vacuum and a sterilization time of 4 minutes at 134 degrees Celsius. The pressure during the sterilization should be 2 bar. For further information and more detailed instructions, please refer to the instructions for use.